Yes, hello. Welcome everyone to our today's tutorial, and we are going to do a continuation from where we left on our previous tutorial. And from our previous tutorial, yes, we learned how to insert how to add rows to your table, or to insert data into your table using SQL. And in today's tutorial, now we want to learn how to manipulate or how to modify your table. So from this, we are going to learn about how to delete your rows, how to delete your column, and how to add a new column to your existing table. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn several commands that we are going to use in order to modify our table. So to do this, because it's still using SQL, then build SQL on your Office, whether you're using Office 2016, 2019, or Office 365, or whichever the office you're using, even if possible to 7. Okay, these commands runs on all the versions that are up to date. So to do so, we'll navigate to menu bar, then you click at create, then query design. From query design, we still navigate just from our previous, we navigate here at SQL, then choose SQL view. So from there it will bring you this window that will enable us to write our data. So first we want to learn how to delete a row. So first we will just look at our table. We have this our table. So we want to delete a row. So let's consider one row that you want to delete. Okay, we want to delete this row, the 10th row that has details for Charles Osman with age 15. So we want to delete this row, considering the case of that we want to delete a row that has an age of 15. So to do so, we shall just come back here to our query. So we are going to write the delete command. Delete, then you place your asterisk, then you just press enter. From, you use the from clause, from customers, from our table is named customers, from customers. Then we are going to specify using the where clause. The where clause will specify which criteria we are going to use. We want to specify, we have said our customers, but not ID, where we are considering the age. So you have to consider this. We are considering here at the age is 15. So you're going to type where age is equals to 15. So from there you just place a semicolon to end that statement. Then you come to query design, then you run, and this pop-up appears here, and it notifies you, it warns you are about to delete one rows from the specified table. If you click yes, you agree to it, and once you have deleted, there's no way you can undo it. Then you click yes. Okay, so from there, when we visit our table, we will try to look, we can see deleted. Okay, just been deleted. Okay, we just save this query, delete row, just like that. And also we shall just close our table. So the next query we want to learn, so that if you open this, you will find that there is no that 10th row that had details of Charles, who had on the age of 15. Once now it's just deleted. So you want to learn how to add a column, then we learn how to delete a column. So to add a column, you navigate to create, query design, SQL, then SQL view. So there we want to add a column. So to do this, we are going to write a code. There's a command we are going to write, the alter table command. Then alter just help. This is a command that's just because to format our table. We want to change the layout, we want to modify our table, so we will use the alter command. So you're going to type alter table. We add the table. Our table is named customers. Then we'll add that's another command we are using, the add. So we are going to specify our column. So we are either going to write add column gender. We want to introduce gender on our table, so you can just type add column gender, or you just type add gender. So just like that. So from there you specify the data type, because this is a column we are adding, it's a field. For a field, for it to satisfy to be a field, we must add the data type. So gender is either male or female. So we are going to, so we will see that it takes male or female. Which kind of data type will it be? So automatically it will be a character, or it will take a string. So we shall use the character data type, character. There we can just specify the size, just like that. Then we run it. Okay, you run, automatically it just run. So from here it want to bring into pop-up, but when we visit our table, we can see this column that was added here, named gender. Okay, so we will just save our query also. That's column. This just symbol naming. Okay, you can name it better, not just like that, because naming always says you should name it with a single word, so that it should be add like with an underscore, or add column like one word. That's the good naming criteria. So we have added gender. We are going to close it. So on this third step, we want to learn how to delete columns. Okay, so to do so, we are going to create query design, SQL view. So from there, we're still going to use the alter table command, because this command is used either to add, delete, or modify columns in an existing table. And because you want to delete it, to delete a column, so we are going to use alter table command. Okay, so we just going to type our command alter table, then we specify our table, the table name, customers. Yes, press enter. Then we will use another command named drop. So drop this command, it's going to remove that field from this table, customers. So we're going to drop. You can specify either just drop. For our table, we want to drop, we are going to drop one column here. Let's use this one. We want to drop last name. Okay, to do so, we shall just embark here. So you drop last name, or you can choose drop column. Let me use this one, because on the other one I said you can also use add column. So here we want to write drop column. You specify the name of you specify your column. Our column we want to drop is last name. Then you end with a semicolon, the end of statement. So from here we are going to run our query design. You run it. The engine could not look. Okay, it's because our table is opened, so we are going to close it, because this command is going to modify the table. So we are going to repeat the same procedure. We're going to run, and automatically it has run. And from here, when we open our table, we will not find this field named last name, and automatically this is our table. And from here we can see that our field last name has been deleted, and there's no way we can cover it. Okay, this just how we able to we are able to modify our table in different ways. First, we learned about how to delete rows. Then we learned about how to add a column and how to delete a column from an existing table. So yes, I believe each one and every one of you have understood this concept, and just keep up to date in order to get more tutorials on this field of Microsoft Office. And in this tutorial, in these episodes, we are dealing with Office Access, Microsoft Access. So if you find this video interesting, or that this video has been helpful to you, you can like the video. And for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe and keep on supporting. Turn on the notification bell, click on the bell, so that whenever I will post the next tutorial on the next episode, you will get an instant notification that I have uploaded a new video. Let's continue learning together. Feel